Are you tired of static wallpaper on your iPhone? Today, I'm gonna show you how to set a live photo as your wallpaper so your device comes to life every time you unlock it. Be sure to watch to the end, and I will tell you how to optimally customize your animations. Firstly, make sure that you have iOS 17 installed on your iPhone. Earlier versions of iOS unfortunately do not support this feature. And also select your favorite live photo from the gallery in advance. Now we are gonna go in Settings, then tap on Wallpaper and click this blue button Add New Wallpaper. After that, on the top we'll see some suggestions as well as live photo. So click on that and you will see that it's finding suggestions for the live photo. If for some reason it could not find anything, then switch to your All Photos and manually find live photo from your Photos app. Now you need to make sure that this icon is not crossed out because in that case wallpaper will be static. So click on that to activate live wallpaper. Of course, you can adjust it by using this pinch gesture. And then click this blue button Add in the top right corner. From here, choose to set as pair or additionally customize home screen. I'm gonna set as pair, and now this is my current wallpaper. So if I'll unlock my phone, I will see this cool animation. And now you have a live wallpaper on your iPhone. If something does not work right away, just reboot your device. Sometimes the system needs a little time. And as I promised you guys, several tips to improve your live photos. Firstly, use filters that can make bright colors even more saturated and details sharper. And to avoid blurring, use live photo only on the lock screen and leave the home screen as a static wallpaper. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Bye bye.